Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with my flip through of my Jesenia winter themed ring setup, and I am so excited because I love this setup. It's probably my second favorite. I don't think anything will ever beat Magic, but this is a close second. So this is a white, I think it's a coconut leather, or I don't know. I'll link it down below by Epoxy Fix. I did get blind embossed in the front, a little heart that says blessed. Blessed reminds me of Bennett because, well, I'm blessed to have him, and also his name means blessed one. And then there is a blind embossed Fox and Pip bow. This is a personal wide with the snap closure. I prefer this because I use the Jesenia personal wider inserts in here. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys out. So I did use the Jesenia TN kit, which by the time that you see this will probably be on sale or will be coming to sale soon. I'll leave it linked down below, or the details down below. But it is very limited, and I explained that in the release video. But let's go ahead and just do a flip through because that's what y'all are here for. So over here I have just a piece of paper from the kit. I like to put that in the pockets just to kind of like jazz up the like leather backing. Kind of wish some of the like Foxy Fixes, I know they're thick leather, but were kind of like nicer looking on the inside if they like double line them or something. But anyways, then over here I do have my favorite part of the kit, which is the really beautiful fine silver glitter bow. I do have the little pen die cut from the kit, and I did attach the little heart from the label sheet on here. I never thought to do that before, but I thought it looked cute. The little deer there. And then I do have this Villa Beautiful. It's one of her washi cards. I did just trim off the tab. I put the two little die cuts from the Black Friday event. It was a Black Friday on there. I have the kit washi, and then I have the white and silver, which is in the tinsel bundle currently, but will be coming to the shop a la carte. I did get to order more of those, and then I do have the blue from the Cyber Monday mystery bundle, and then I just have a backer card back here, which I just trimmed down to fit inside, and I think this pocket looks really cute. This actually might be one of my favorite pocket setups I've ever done. Then if you move over here, I do have a piece of the acetate from the kit along with the bow. I kind of liked how simple this looked from the front. I think this looks just really pretty, really minimalistic, but really beautiful. My magic setup is very like busy. There's stuff everywhere. It's magical. This is very just like really pretty. So this has the sticky bow on the front. I think it looks really pretty, just centered. And then I do have the tabs going down the side. And I just put the little labels, the little silver labels that come with the kit. And they look really dainty, really pretty with this. So I have the acetate here. And then I do have the vellum, which I did trim down. And then I just have a piece of one of the papers. And then this is kind of my work. So I put anything that's pertinent. So right here is my main to-do list. It's like fresh because I just finished one. And then behind it I have all my Black Friday, Cyber Monday, because I am filming this on Black Friday weekend. And then I have my TN kit ideas for the year. I have my Wiggle 3.0, which we're currently on Wiggle 2.0, so Wiggle 3.0 ideas. And then my Advent ideas for 2019, which I already started, and it's going to be fabulous. It's going to be like the best deal I've ever done in my entire life for you guys. It's going to be the best thing I've ever done. And then I have Advent Part 2, and then I have some employee information. Then I just have the acetate. It is a silver snowflake acetate there. And then I do have the journaling card. This is Marianne Bright and Jesenia's handwriting on one of the pieces of paper. I don't, for my rings at least, I don't remember if I did for my TN, but I don't like laminate these or anything because I feel like this paper is thick enough by itself, and I do just attach the tab with some glue runner, and it sticks pretty well for me. Then on the back of here I do have a little die cut. I might have put a die cut on this one too. Did I mention that? I did put this die cut here to just kind of snazz it up a little bit. This is kind of the list I write weekly. I write out weekly lists every week. I mean, it seems redundant, but it helps me a lot to kind of like go through things. Whenever I film a new releases video, I put what Wiggle we did, the date, and then I put the different kits, the different, like there's some a la carte items, then I did some foil items, and then I did some, this was my like, what's it called, the winter market, and then I little star them off as I like do the listings, and then whenever I make them public, whenever I'm prepping them, I make sure I go through and make sure everything's in there and I have the right quantities listed and the right sizes listed and things like that. So I write one of these every week. Usually I try to remove them after the month is over. So that is just one example of those. Then, this is like my work planner. I don't know if I mentioned that. Then I have another vellum from the kit, and then I have a Fox and Pip bow on here. I think it looks really, really pretty. I just have one of the papers from the kit. I love these papers by themselves. And this is my to-do section, so I do have extra sheets of paper for my to-dos. I have extra grids. I have some from Jesenia, and then I also have some thicker grid paper, and I kind of just write notes in here and then move them to different sections. Then I do have a YouTube section, which again I put a die cut, and then I put a white bow. This was from the pastel Christmas seals, which are still in the shop. They are all different pastel colors. And then this is my YouTube section, which I use. I think all of my inserts are from Jesenia. Just I'll leave her link down below. And then there's just a die cut back here, and then I use this for videos and then for releases, but I haven't filled it out, and I need to work on December. I've kind of like, November's been kind of a mess, so I need to get back on my groove. Then I have one of the bow acetates. Where's the other one? I don't know. Then I have an A from Fox and Pip, and then I have one of the girl cards, and this is my project section. And this is also an insert from Jesenia, of course. I don't really know what to do with this area, so I'm leaving it blank. And then I have, which I'm not going to show you guys this, but I'll show you what the insert looks like, is I have these inserts here, and what I've been using them for is different projects and keeping track of kind of the cost of everything, as well as a checklist of things I need to make sure I order and things like that. So this has actually been pretty helpful. And then I do have the next one, which is the acetate with the snowflakes. And this one says Let It Snow, which I love. And then this is the release tracker, which I've been using this for mystery. So there's the same one here. And then if you flip it over, what I've been doing for mystery is I've been putting the month that it is. So let's say it was December mystery, and then I put travel as the theme. And then I write down all the things I need to make sure I have for it. And then I check it off. So like I write art, I'll write foil item, I'll write whatever else I need to do. And then if there's any notes about those items, like let's say I'm like extra sticker sheet, and I write a note that says like for the December one I did the extra flight trackers in there, so I'll write notes on the side, which I actually really love these. I think they're very functional and I can use them in a lot of different ways. And then the last is like a little page lifter, which is just kind of like an extra like sheet just for me, I guess. And I did put some die cuts on both sides, and I put the other little silver heart on the snowman's hat. I put the bookmark in here this month just because I thought it looked cute. And then I have two Studio Signet charms on the bottom. One is a jingle charm and the other is a snowflake. They are in the, I think it's like ivory strand, and they are in the rings size. Then in the back here, I do have the sticky notes that came with the TN kit, as well as this Akio washi. And this is a card from Studio L2E, and I have the Pixie Dust Pink washi from Cyber Monday on that card, which I didn't realize afterwards that you can't see it, but it's okay. And then I do have the pen that comes with the TN kit. So that is my quick little flip through for you guys. I hope you guys liked it. I really love the setup. Again, I think it's just really minimalistic and really pretty with the pinks and the blues and the silver. I just love it, and I am so excited to hear what you guys think about it. Let me know down below if you guys are planning on setting up your kit, your planner using the Jesenia kit. But I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye! Advent time! I think we're on day 9. So let's open this one up. I'm so excited. So this one is one of the summer journaling cards, and this is also one of my favorite ones too. It's so funny. I love this one with the quote though. It's so cute. And then these are the summer Scribbler sampler sheet. So again, these haven't been ever released yet, and these will be like, I think they'll be released later on next year sometime, but in a different colorway. So this has the barbecuing girls, the amusement park roller coaster girls, which I try to do some things that like I've never done before, but I definitely need, like a music festival girl, and then you have like a safari girl, which is super cute. So those are the Scribblers. And then let's move on to day 9 from the Giving Girl. Well, these are cute. Okay, so these are just regular foiled icons. They are on that matte paper in gold. These are super cute. It says ballerina. I don't know if that's like a collection. So these are all in different solid colors, which is really nice. My trash can's about to explode. But these are super cute.